Hello everyone, I am Teacher Candy and today we'll be diving into a concept that can be confusing for some of you. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it and we are talking about assumptions. Alright, let's take a look at this assumption question we have over here. So there are 12 chickens and horses in a farm. They have a total of 34 legs. How many horses are there in the farm? Okay, so look at the information. 12 chickens and horses. We don't know how many are chickens. We don't know how many are horses. We do know that they have a total of 34 legs. What else do we know? So let's take a look at the chicken and horse. So we can see that the chicken has 2 legs and the horse have 2 legs, but another extra 2 legs as compared to the chicken. Okay, so let's assign the legs to them. Okay, so these 2 legs I'm going to assign to the chicken. So a chicken has 2 legs, right? So for the horse, it has 2 legs as well, but 2 more extra as compared to the chicken. Okay, so let's take a look. 34 legs all over here, and I have 12 animals. So what I'm going to do first, assuming all are chicken, we are going to distribute 2 legs each first. 2 each first. Calculating all the 2 legs and ignoring the extra 2 for the horse. Okay, so there we go. 1 chicken, 2 chicken, and so on. Okay, that will be 12 chicken over here. 12 chickens over here. And then, oops, let's get that off. Okay, so 12 chickens over here, okay? But then, there are horses supposed to be there. How do we know? Look at all the extra legs we have here. So, we have 24 over there. 34 minus the 24 here. Okay, we have 10. So, see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 legs here, okay? So this 10 legs here actually belongs to the horses extra 2. So we are going to assign 2 more to each of them so that we can see how many horses are there. So let's assign one pair of legs. So 4 legs here. That will be 1 horse. Another 2 legs. That's 1 horse as well. Another 2 legs. 1 horse. 2 legs, 1 horse. 2 legs, 1 horse. Okay. So basically we take the 10 legs. We divide by 2. We get the 5 horses. And the rest are chicken. Yeah, okay. How do we write it out in equations? So we can take a look first. 12 animals, we assume all are chicken first. So we count all the 2 legs first. Okay, 12 times 2 is 24. Then we have a total of 34 legs. That means there are some extras which belongs to the horses. So 34 minus 24, we have 10 extra legs. So these 10 extra legs, I'm going to divide by 2 because horse have 2 extra legs, right? So 10 divided by 2, we have 5 horses here. Alright, let's try another question. Okay, there are 14 $2 and $5 notes in the piggy bank. The value of the notes add up to $40. So this is the value. How many $2 notes are there in the piggy bank? Okay, so we are comparing $2 and $5 notes right now. There are 14 pieces of notes, just that we don't know how many notes are $2, how many notes are $5. So let's take a look here. So $2 notes, we know the value is $2. And for $5 notes in comparison, okay, it's $2 plus extra $3 as compared to the $2. Alright, it's $3 extra. Okay, so again, I have 14 pieces of notes. So, calculating the $2 first, assuming all are $2 for all 14 of them. So, we will take 14 times 2, which is $28. But remember, they add up to $40. So, that means they are extra. So, the extra comes from where? It comes from the extra $3 for the $5 notes. Okay? So, we take $40, calculating the extras. We minus away $28, and we have $12 extra over here. So remember, $5 has $3 extra. How many $3 will make $12? So we can find the number of $5 notes first. $12 divided by $3 each. There are 4 pieces of $5 notes. Okay, but the question is asking for $2 notes. So what we're going to do, number of $2 note, total there's 14 pieces, right? So 14 minus 4, there are 10 pieces of $2 notes here. Alright. Alright, so we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the explanation and understand assumptions a little bit better. Alright, so why don't you try this question and you can leave your answer in the comments below. Alright, I'll see you next video.